5, we will escape. The third optional statement we can use to increment or decrement our counter. After each iteration, I will increment I by 1, I++. This code will be repeated 5 times. Here we are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of displaying the word hello, let's display our index I. Then add a line. To count 2. We will add a text box, input type. The type is text. The name will be counter. Then a submit button. Input type equals submit. For the value, let's say start. The user is going to type in a number to count up to. We'll need to get that value from the text box. Let's say variable counter. We will access the post superglobal variable. We would like our counter. Then we'll create a for loop. For parentheses curly braces. We'll need our Or I can enter a different number like 100. So we start at 100, then count down to 1. So that's a for loop, everybody. You can repeat some code a certain amount of times. You only have to write it once, then repeat it however many times that you need. And well, everybody, those are for loops in PHP. Hey everybody, it's me again. Today I'm going to explain while loops in PHP. With the while loop, you can do some code infinitely while some condition remains true. It's very similar to a for loop, but with the for loop, we intend to do some code a limited amount of times. With the while loop, it may be infinite. There's a lot of overlap where you can use either a for loop or a while loop. Here's how to create one. Type while, parentheses, curly braces. Within the parentheses, we can set a condition. Let's say we have a counter variable. We will count up to 10. Keep doing this code while counter is less than or equal to 10. Another difference between a for loop and a while loop is that with the while loop, we don't have 3 statements. We just have 1. With the for loop, you can create an index, a condition, and there's another statement to increment or decrement. We don't have that with the while loop, so we'll have to set that manually. Outside of the while loop, let's say we have a counter. Counter will equal 0. While counter is less than or equal to 10, let's increment. I now have a stop button. Let's stop that before it crashes. Now, to escape out of this loop, I could write some code like this. I'm going to write an if statement. I haven't discussed the isSet function yet, but we can check to see if a button is clicked or not. I'm going to access our post variable, and I have created a stop button with the name of